Hello guys, how to fix if your computer takes long time to shut down Windows 11 and Windows 10. And if you are also facing such type of issue, then first workaround is open control panel in your system and choose power options. From the left pane, choose what the power button does, click on it. Choose change settings that are currently unavailable and disable turn on fast startup. Finally, click on save changes. The next workaround to fix this issue is again go to Windows search and choose type power option, edit power plan and open it. Here click on change advanced power settings. A new power option window will open. Here go to PCI Express, expand it, link state power management, expand it, and on battery and plugged in, both the settings should be disabled. Choose a small arrow marks and choose off for both the option on battery and plugged in. Finally click on apply and then OK to save the changes. And check whether your computer is still taking long time to shut down. If yes, go to again settings and install Windows latest update. Go to Windows update and choose check for updates. Let the window complete the checking process, and if any update available, simply download and install it. Thereafter go to advanced options, optional update, and check any optional updates available. If any available, simply download and install optional update in Windows 11 and 10. And to fix this issue, if your Windows taking long time to shut down. The next workaround is again go to device manager and find out any yellow exclamation marks appear on any of your driver. If you found any driver, simply right click on it and choose update driver. If none of the above method works, then restore your system. Go to run command box by pressing win plus R shortcut key and type RSTRUI and press OK. System restore window will open. Go to back and choose manual of your restoration point. Choose a different restore point and click on next. Here choose a restoration point from where your computer go back to your PC state when your computer is in good state, and confirm your restoration point, finish it.